JI214. Why are you so sad?
Look at our lake, it's very polluted.
And it's so much of debris and plastics. I think I have an idea.
Do you think what it is?
It's project time!
In the absence of garbage disposal facilities, of dumping garbage into nearby water bodies has become quite common in these recent years and has posed long-term negative impacts both on biodiversity of the area and as well as on the local environment. The accumulation of suspended solids such as trash, plastics and debris in water affects aquatic life by blocking light from reaching submerged vegetation. Generally, conventional method based on manual basis and its use for collection of water debris, trash, plastic and all other sorts of impurity which is floating on water body.
In this project, the foremost aim of this machine is to lift waste debris and dispose of it within the train. It has special features to collect the debris and rubbish from deep water too. It consists of an arrangement of conveyor which is placed on the shaft of the motor. When the conveyor is moved, it collects water debris, waste garbage and plastics from water bodies. Once the machine is placed within the water, the waste debris in the water will get lifted and it moves in an upward direction. Once it reaches the upper extreme position, it will get dropped within the train. Hence, this will end in cleaning water surfaces and a safe collection of water debris from water. Propeller is used to drive the machine on the river and run with the help of a PMDC motor. The total electric devices are controlled by a solar panel and a receiver which are used to manage the machine.
Objective. In this project, we can reduce manpower, time consumption, and pollution. Secondly, we can increase efficiency, cost effectiveness, and also we can increase reliability. This is the main part of objective. We can increase the life of aquatic animals. We can reduce non-renewable energy sources, and we can reduce the pollution in ocean, river, lake and ponds. Lastly, we can maintain a clean and healthy environment.
The advantages of our innovations are: the screening system is very easy to operate, flexible and eco-friendly. This requires less manpower and more usage of renewable energy sources. This is also a cost-effective system because the initial and maintenance cost is low.
The machine is useful to reduce the water pollution. Secondly, it is applicable to reduce water debris, impurities and all types of impurities. It is useful to remove the environmental marine pollution. Lastly, it is useful in fishery plants to collect dead fishes.
Conclusion. This project is often easy to operate and the price of maintenance is low. Hence, this project river cleaning machine is usually designed to form a system considerably economical and helpful to get rid of water impurities like plastics, trash and water debris which is floating in river and pond surfaces. This is mainly very useful for human health and increase the lifetime of aquatic animals. Just go. Now day by day the world is facing the biggest problem of floating garbage. In the other hand, it's increasing in tremendous amounts, so it's really hard to clean up all the floating garbage. So in future, this remote operated floating river cleaning machine has more scope to remove large capacity of garbage automatically as fast as possible. And by making some modification during this machine, this is automatically removing the garbage from the beaches also. Thank you.